How to sign in to Citibank credit card account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Citi credit card login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to very first one website option, www.citi.com. You will be directed to the official website. Now here you're going to see the option of sign on. Click on it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your Citibank account. So go ahead and type in your user ID, then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the user ID or password, you can click on these options to recover it. If you want to save your login info, check in for this option. Remember user ID. Once you fill this, click on sign on. Just for that, you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, you can head towards the credit card section and get access to it. If you haven't activated your card yet, you can click on this option and go through the process and do that. Well, this way you can easily sign in to Citibank credit card account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.